This is a video tutorial for the Adult Dignity Bib. It's fully reversible, and if you're confident enough you can use waterproof fabric on the front. This is a video tutorial for the Happy Days Adult Dignity Bib. You'll need fabric for the front and fabric for the back, but because it's reversible you can choose any fabrics you want, and then you'll need a small piece of Velcro. And this is how we make it. Place the two fabrics right sides together. Make sure that you match the curve and the sides, and when you're happy with that, pop some clips in. I've clipped all the way around and I've remembered to leave a gap at the side for turning, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Sew all the way around the neckline first and then all the way around the rest of the bib. Remember to sew across the two ends as well. I've sewn all the way around, joining the two fabrics together. I've snipped all around the curved parts and at the bottom and at the top shoulders, and I've also snipped each corner. This will give a much better finish at the end, and now I'm going to turn it the right way through the gap I left. I've turned it the right way around through the gap, and now I'm going to take it over to the iron and press it, and I'm going to fold in the seam allowance of the gap. I've pressed it and turned in the seam allowance of the gap, and I've also popped some clips in, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and top stitch all the way around the neck area, along the top and all the way around to the very bottom, and then back up all the way around. This will automatically seal up the gap we left. I've top stitched all the way around, and the last bit of sewing is to add the Velcro. So take one of your Velcro strips and, using the line that you made for your top stitching as a guide, place, I've put the rough side on but it doesn't really matter, put one side of your Velcro on there and pop a pin in, and then on the back place your corresponding piece of Velcro, and again use the line of stitching that you made, and again pop a pin in. I've popped a couple of pins in, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and carefully sew the Velcro into place. I've sewn both pieces of Velcro on, and that's your Adult Dignity Bib all finished.